In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable the Edge panel on your Samsung device. The Edge panel is a convenient feature that allows quick access to apps, contacts, and other shortcuts with just a swipe of your finger. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Display. After that, scroll down again. Now you'll see the Edge panels option. Tap on it. To enable Edge panels on your Samsung device, simply toggle on this switch over here. Now, if you want, you can customize and tweak the Edge panels feature. To do that, tap where it says Panels. Now you can tap and select any of these panels to add. For example, you can add the Tasks panel and the Tools panel. You can also download more Edge panels from the Galaxy Store. Once you've added the panels you like, you can also choose which side the Edge panels are on. To do that, go back and tap where it says Handle. And tap Position and select left or right. You can also change the color, tweak the transparency, and change the size and width of the Edge panels. To bring up the Edge panels, simply swipe left on the Edge panels handle, just like this. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.